talk to him.
Yeah. Everybody. Ain't nothing, nigga. Yeah. Phoenix Flex.
There you go. Why the stupid bitch need one? Come to the back for acting tough, you need a DP. I'll slap a nigga off the wet on GP. Never met a bitch that was ever gonna leave me. Downtown LA, Diamond District getting freezing. When it get janky, then a nigga drop skis. No face, no case, how the fuck that was Jesus? I'ma beat the case down easy, believe me. If you talk about a trophy, then I've been one. Bitch, I been posting on the block with a big gun. Drug dealer, loan shark, I'm on some of my lens. I don't pay for pussy, but I want some on expensive. Bitch, I been rich since I lived in low income. Catch a eye, spin one, hit a corner, bend one. Real street nigga in the hundreds till the Benz comes. Really real pepper going on, I can sense something. Bitch, you know we bad.
Yeah, we back in business.
Bad with the switches,
Back with the bitches.
chain look ridiculous.
God is my witness.
Playing with the mafia, sleep with the fishes.
Bitch, you know we back.
Yeah, we back in business.
Back with the switches.
Bad with the bitches.
Chain look ridiculous.
God is my witness.
Playing with the mafia.
Sleep with the fishes. Nigga.
Bitch, you know we back. Playing with the mafia.
Sleep with the fishes.
I need a freaked out bitch that's finna suck dick. Ricky on a nigga, I'll bust a nigga pumpkin. 30 poking out of mirrors when I'm walking in a function. Tryna find a bitch that's finna fuck with no discussions. Ooh, she just popped half a year, I popped the whole thing. I put it in her ass and I don't even know the whole name. I'm on this Batman, they Phoenix Flex and I'm Bruce Wayne. I'm dressed in all black and pulling up in that Mulsanne. Got $1 million worth of game for her like I'm 2 Chainz. Tryna put a prostitute up on a blade, fuck a boo thing. Fox 11, we'll put your big homie on the news frame. Spook, boy, you should've known my troops really shoot things. She got that ooh-wee, I got that ooh-wop. I got that baby juice for a bitch like I'm Tupac. 2 blocks on me right now up in a new spot. We all getting money from the game, but I know you not.
Bitch, you know we bad.
Yeah, we back in business.
Bad with the switches.
Back with the bitches.
Chain look ridiculous.
God is my witness.
Playing with the mafia. Sleep with the fishes.
Bitch, you know we back.
Yeah, we back in business.
Back with the switches.
Bad with the bitches.
Chain look ridiculous.
God is my witness.
Playing with the mafia.
Sleep with the fishes. Nigga.
Bitch, you know we back. Playing with the mafia.
Sleep with the fishes.
Bitch, you know we back.
There you go. Nigga like me, I let a gang, let a hustle. Put a milli up in a dime-year duffel. Came through drippin', left out and made a puddle. Bitch, I'm bit flexin', ain't shit about me subtle. Crack in the pot, cause a nigga bought a bubble. I remember selling grand bags, now I sell bundles. Used to want a big house, now I got a couple. Fuck being humble, bitch, I grew up in the jungle. And the nigga made a way, all work, no play. All night and all day, Glock 9s and AKs. AC, Molly, MDMA, bitch, I down rich, poured away, a nigga get paid. Try to do me like Regal and nigga get sprayed. Pints of that scissor, putting bitches on the blade. Bitch, you know that I'm some pimpin' on folk renegades. One thing about me, I'ma get it anyway. Drop the mud in my drink, made a dirty lemonade. Bitch, you know I'm presidential, backseat Escalade. Trap house, residential, pray the feds never raid. These niggas talking money, that's the shit they never made. All black motorcade, bitch, we hogging all the lanes. 4 black trucks, 2 Benzos in the range. What she don't do for you, she gon' do it for the gang. Spend one night with me, she'll never be the same. Tell Mikey, flip the face, we ain't never going plain. Put the O on my face, then I put it on my chain. Money in a thing, bitch, I'm feeling like I'm Jay. Put a lay on my back, bitch, I'm in the Hall of Fame. I'm talking 600,000 for the landscape. Model bitches naked in the kitchen whipping pancakes. Choppers on choppers, ain't the house, just the back cave. Pills on the dark web, bitches on the back page. I've been sipping promethazine since the act days. Guns in the couch, told you this a no lack gang. Take a nigga bitch, slut her out, give her back gang. Get the money, flip the money, make the money stack, yeah, I'm paid in full. There you go. Drake done dripped out in that chrome. For real, I'm the one who come through, set the tone. For real, I really caught shots like Al Capone. For real, call a hitter, send a blitz, get him gone. For real, Drake done dripped out in that chrome. For real, I'm the one who come through, set the tone. For real, I really caught shots like Al Capone. For real, call a hitter, send a blitz, get him gone. For real, money, cars, clothes, and the hoes. That's all the niggas see. What the fuck am I supposed to rap about? The same shit we doing, what you cap about? Get a brick, bust it down, weigh it up and trap it out. The shit we keep it secret, that's the same shit they be bragging about. We fucking them, leaving them. That's the hoes they mad about. He mad at me and not his bitch. What the fuck is that about? Baby, I'm a cold ass nigga. Bring your jacket out for real. Lace my cleats up, hit the field. Had 200 bands before I signed a major deal. Had 200 shots in a boat, like a Navy SEAL. I was wavy way back then, and nigga, I'm wavy still. Drake done dripped out in that chrome. For real, I'm the one who come through, set the tone. For real, I really caught shots like Al Capone. For real, call a hitter, send a blitz, get him gone. For real, Drake done dripped out in that chrome. For real, I'm the one who come through, set the tone. For real, I really caught shots like Al Capone. For real, call a hitter, send a blitz, get him gone. For real, touchdown in the city, shut it down. For real, with a bitch still look pretty with the pills. The pills with the blickies, with the switches, with my niggas down to kill. Pick me up, LAX, hit the hood, then hit the hill. Say I gained a lot of weight, cause I never miss a meal. Rory call me with the deals, know I need at least a meal. Pulling foes, load of choppers, give a fuck about how you feel. Eating pasta, I remember putting water in my cereal, not for real. Marty went to work, paid the bills, and I grew up, got some work, and I sold every type of pill. I do it for my son, I do it for the meals. I do it so that good, when I speak you get the chills. Cause I'm serious, I'm legitimate, I'm for real. I'm all of the above and they can't even keep it real. I'm the chosen one for real, I'm blessed, I know for real. Rest in peace to all my niggas, know I miss y'all life for real, for real. Yeah, that part right there. Matter of fact, you know what time it is.